Today we are going to dig into this little box of beauty from doTERRA, and we are going to see what's inside and why it came to my house and what I use it for. So hi, I'm Livia, learnlivefly.com. I am your soul confidence creation coach, and one of the favorite tools that I use in my family to help get my body, my heart, my spirit aligned and to keep us healthy and strong so that we can go about doing good and do all the things that God has called us to do in our hearts is doTERRA. It's one of my favorite companies, my favorite products, the things that I love to share with you. So today we're going to do an unboxing video. This is September 2022. This is what I ordered this month, and we're going to talk about what I got, why I got it, and how you can get it too, and how you can even get your oils paid for, and a bunch of free stuff from doTERRA. So we'll go into that. Let me open this little box. I did cut it, so it's going to open here. There we go. Okay. Okay, first thing first, this right here. Oh, doTERRA On Guard toothpaste. There it is. On Guard toothpaste. I love this stuff so much. It is, look at that. Okay, it says whitening and remineralizing. So it actually strengthens the enamel on your teeth. It is a beautiful cinnamon mint flavor. It is so good. The flavors, so it's got cinnamon, clove, and rosemary and wintergreen in it, and myrrh, and it's beautiful. And so it's calming. So if you have any sensitive teeth, clove kind of does a little bit of a numbingness to that. Cinnamon freshens your breath really nice. Peppermint and wintergreen, they will help to like invigorate and energize you and help you feel awesome. And note, when you use this toothpaste, it does not make your teeth nasty. You can brush your teeth and then you can go downstairs and you can drink orange juice and it doesn't taste gross. So I actually ran out the other day and it was so sad. Like I started using this other random one I got from the dentist and it was so gross. I was like, oh, I want to like, toothbrushing's not fun anymore. So I'm so excited that these are here. And now I'm doing this so I can open my bottle because now I'm showing you what I got. Okay, next up, I also got two of these. This is tea tree. Hide my face so it will focus on the bottle. Tea tree, which is also melaleuca, but tea tree is the common name. Melaleuca is the scientific name. So this is amazing. I love it so much. I have one in my office. I have one in my bathroom. I have one in my car. I have them all over the place because I love them so much. It's really great for anything skin. So if you have any kind of a skin irritation, tea tree is really great on that. If you have any kind of itching in your feminine parts, take this and I put it on your hand, rub it on a panty liner and wear it, and it knocks out that really quick, really quick. I love this. I actually have a really cool story with tea tree. When I very first found out about doTERRA way back in 2011, it was probably a week or two after. I was walking down the stairs and I don't even know what it was, but I put my hand down and I got this massive pain, like shooting in my armpit. And I was like, what in the world is going on? And so I felt, and I had this like lump growing in there and it felt almost like, you know how you get like an ingrown hair or a boil, a zit, something? I thought, oh, it'll just pop. That's really weird. Where did that come from? It wasn't there like 20 minutes ago and all of a sudden it is. And I really think it was a gift to me so I could learn this so that I could help people with it for the next decade plus the rest of my life. And it's really cool. So it was in pain and I was like, this is weird. And I tried to pop it. Nothing came out. Sorry if this is too graphic for you, but nothing came out. I couldn't get anything. My husband was like freaking out. Oh no, what if you have a tumor and something's growing or whatever's going on? Go get it checked. So I'm like, okay. So it wouldn't pop, went to the doctor. They took a scalpel to it and they sliced it and all that came out was blood. And they're like, I don't know. I can put you on a steroid and an antibiotic for 10 days and then we can see what happens. And I looked at them and I was like, how about, well, I said, so you're telling me you don't know what it is. So you'd like to put me on a steroid and then we'll see if that works. And they were like, yeah. And I'm like, we're not going to do that. I said, how about, since you don't know anyways, and I don't know, we're just going to figure it out. So how about if I go home and I try it my way for a week and try the stuff that I've got. And if it doesn't work, I'll call you back. And they're like, okay. So I took it home and I put this on it. What? I put this on it. And it was 2 days later, it was completely gone and has been gone ever since. Not a problem. Don't know what it was. Some kind of a skin something going on. And it's just gone. And it's fabulous. This is also a great energetic protector. If you do a lot of computer work, I do a lot of computer work, videos, coaching, all the different things. Creating photography, all the stuff. So you can take this, put it along the back of your shoulder blades, put it over your navel, and just breathe it You can put it in your diffuser and it will put it into the air and just provide clean air. And it happens to be antiviral and antibacterial. So if there's any germies going around and you'd like to knock them out, put it on the bottom of your feet. Works fabulous. If you have a sore throat, you can put it here. So good. The ones that are in the rollers are pre-diluted, so they're already ready to just roll right on you. If you get the tea tree in the regular bottle, that's this size, this one's on guard, but if you get the tea tree like that, then you can add that, drip that into your diffuser as well. And then it will dilute the water as it flows. Okay, next up we have frankincense. Frankincense is the king of oils. It is fabulous. When in doubt, use frankincense. I love this, use it all the time. We use this if, okay, so when my kids were little, I have 4 boys and they used to be a little bit wild and they would jump off of things. And sometimes their heads would collide with walls or whatever, you know, and then they'd get the goose egg and you'd call that 911 and they'd bring the ambulance to check and make sure a kid didn't have a concussion. As soon as I got my oils, I started using frankincense and I have not had to call 911 in 10 years. It's so nice. So what you do with it is I would just put it right on the bump. The swelling would go down. It would dissipate. They would feel fine. They'd be up and playing in like 60 seconds. And it is so good. And it's fabulous on your skin. I keep one in my bathroom and I'll use it on my face. And I just put it on after I wash my face and I put that on and then I put my moisturizer on top. Works really well. It helps if you have any scarring that you would like to remove, it helps with that as well. Frankincense is fabulous. Okay, next up we have lavender. Lavender is amazing. Lavender is very, very calming. So if you have someone who would like to have deep, restful sleep, you can put this on their feet at night. My son has one that he keeps by his bed. He just knows how to use it and he uses it to help him to go to sleep. You put it there, you can rub it like this, put it behind your ears, breathe it in, and it will just help your body to calm. It'll bring you back into that place of peace and calmness. It's also great for any, it's also great for not allergy. Strike that, reverse it. We cannot make claims. I utilize this in my blend that helps with seasonal threats, and it's fabulous. And it also helps to reduce if you have any kind of congestion going on through here. I will put it right here and do this little piano thing on my face, and it will just help that all to drain, and it feels super amazing. Lavender is great. It helps for anything calming on the skin too. So if you have we have mosquitoes a lot where we are, so those mosquitoes get you and you're a little bit swollen up and stuff, lavender right on there works fabulous. And the blend that I use, if you're having a seasonal threat or something that is irritating to your system, is lavender, lemon, and peppermint in equal parts diluted in a roller. And we use that on our mosquito friends where they have visited us as well. Okay, next up we have Digestin. Digestin is your digestive system's friend. And this one is so good. It will help just kind of equalize whatever's going on in the digestive system. If you're too stiff and you'd like it to loosen up, or if you're too loose and you'd like it to stiffen up, kind of brings you back to the middle into homeostasis. And it is a beautiful thing. So when my kids were little, I used to ask them, I'd be like, hey, do you want a smile or a swirl or a smiley face? And they would just tell me. So I'd pretend like this is their belly button. I'd be like, oh, here's a swirl, or, you know, here's a smiley face. And then they just rub it in their belly and it helped. And then anybody having issues like that. And then what's super cool, okay, this one is called Tamer, which is the digestive blend for kids. Digestin is a little bit of a stronger smell, a little bit stronger of an oil. It works for kids as well, but some of them aren't too fan of the smell of it. Or if you have someone who has a really sensitive system, you can get Tamer instead. And so the cool thing about Tamer is actually the free product. This one comes from the kids kit. All right, so you would use it the same way you use Digestin. I'm actually going to put this one in the bathroom downstairs because I like the smell of it. And so I'll keep Digestin upstairs, this one downstairs. We've got both. So Tamer is actually the free product of the month. So if you have a doTERRA account and you order 125 points worth of products before the 15th of the month, in September of 2022, you will get a bottle of Tamer for free. So I did not pay for my bottle of Tamer. It was free and I love it. And you could totally get that too. I will put a link down where you can see all the deals and you can actually sign up for your own if you're interested. Another one this month for September, our special is 10% off of Tulsi, which is holy basil. And I'm gonna point here and then I'm gonna put a picture up there for you so you can see different ways that you can use Tulsi. It's very good for creating healthy skin. It's calming. You can diffuse it and it will put in like an uplifting, enlightening atmosphere, helps you ease up breathing, and it's super great. You can put a towel on your head and enjoy like a steam bath if you're having any kind of steam facial to help your skin there as well, or on the bottom of your feet for relaxation. So Tulsi is 10% off in September, as well as if you do not already have a doTERRA membership account, you can have a free membership with your 150 point order. The membership fee is waived and your membership is free for the next year, where you will get 25% off of everything that doTERRA has. Super amazing. And if you're interested in figuring out how to get your oils paid for, then go ahead and reach out to me and I will talk to you and we'll set up a personalized wellness plan for you. That's just what you need. If you have somebody you're working with, if you have somebody you're already working with a doTERRA, please contact them and you're like, hey, I need a personal wellness plan. Like, I feel like I don't know what to do. I've got these oils. What do I do with them? Or I'm brand new. I know you do this and I want to work with you. Then do that. If you don't have someone, I'm your girl. Look in the comments below and you can find the way to reach out to me and let's connect.